Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create a video background in HTML and CSS. So in this video I will create a video background and you can see that this background is completely responsive. This video background will look like this on mobile devices and it will look like this on PCs. The video ratio doesn't matter. We will manage the video to fit in its container using CSS. So friends, video is going to be more important and you will learn a lot in this video. And before start, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have a folder named video background on my desktop, and inside this folder I have main three files. The one is video file named myvideo.mp4 and the next is index.html, and here you can see a style.css file where will be write our CSS code. Here you can see that I have opened the project folder in my Visual Studio Code, and to the right side you will able to see the output. First of all, I will create a basic HTML structure here and type video background as a title. Next, inside the body element I will type here video. So this is the video tag. Inside this tag I will type here autoplay. It means that the video will be played by itself when user will open the website. Type loop. This attribute means that video will be played again and again and again. Next I will type here muted. Suppose your video has a voice, so user will not able to listen that voice. Next, inside this element I will create a source tag and type here source and type the name of your video, which is myvideo.mp4. Next, add another attribute type, and here I have to type video /mp4. So friends, you can see the output. We have a video in our output. When we will give style to this video, it will look good. Next, I have to create a div here with class overlay, and we are not going to insert any content inside this div, but we will use to add an overlay effect on our this video. Next, simply I will create a div here with class navbar, create another div with class logo, and here I will type s2 element and type logo. Outside this div, create an unordered list and create 4 list items. I will type here home, news, about, and contact us. Next, outside this navbar class div, next we have to create another div here with class content. Inside this div I will type a simple h1 element and type here this text like dream big. So we have done with our HTML code. Next I will link the style.css file with my this HTML file. Open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. So these three properties will be implemented on our each HTML element, and these two properties will remove the default margin and padding from our each HTML element. Next, I am going to use a Google font here. So I will search for Google fonts, click on the first link, website name is google.com, and here you can see a Google fonts link. Click on these three bars and select fonts option, and here you can search for your desired font. Like I'm going to search for Poppins. Click on this font, and this is the preview that you can see that how your font will look like on your devices. Scroll up, and here I'm going to select regular 400. Click on view selected families, click import, copy this link and paste this in the first line of your CSS file. To use this font, copy this font family property and paste this property here. Now you can see that this font is implemented on our each HTML element, and these elements are looking better than before. Next, we have to style our this video. To do this, simply I will copy the video element, paste here and type width 100%, height 100%, position absolute, top 0 and left 0 as well, and type here z index -3. The purpose of z index is that this video is look behind our elements. Suppose we have two elements here. The one element has that index of -3 and other element have index of -1. Then this -3 element will look behind and the -1 z index will look on the upper side. So you can take them as a layers in Photoshop. Next, we have to add one more important property that is object fit cover. Now you can see that our video will not be stretched and it will look good on all devices. So here you can see that the video will look like this on desktop devices, and let me minimize my screen size. So friends, you can see that this video will look like this on mobile devices. Next, we have to add an overlay over this video. To do this, simply copy this overlay class and paste this class here and type position absolute, background, type this color code, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, and here I am going to change this color code to this. So friends, you can see a blue overlay on our video, and I am going to type its z index to -2. Next, we have to add one more property here, mix blend mode overlay. So now you can see that this overlay that we have created in blue color is adding its effect on our video. And next, I will type here opacity 0.5, or I will change this to 0.7. Yeah, it's looking good. Now next, we have to design this navbar and our this landing page title as well. To design the navbar, I will copy this navbar class and paste this class here and type display flex, justify content center, or I will type here space between. Display flex property will align our this logo and this unordered list in a same row, and justify content space between will align the logo to left side and these list items to the right side. Next, I will type here align items center, color white, padding 20 pixel and 5%. You can see the output. Next, I will copy this UL element and paste this element here, and copy this navbar class and paste this class here and type list style none. You can see we have no bullets right now in our list items. Next, I will copy this list item element and paste this element here, and before this I will copy this class and the UL element as well and paste this here to maintain the hierarchy. Next, I have to type here display inline block. You can see our list items in a same line. Next, type here padding 10 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from right and left. Choose a font size like 1.1 rem. Next, type here letter spacing 2 pixel and text transform uppercase. Z index, I'm going to type here 100. It means that our this layer, this list item layer, will be at frontmost, and the remaining layers like our overlay layer and our video layer will look behind. So next, I will type here cursor pointer. So when user will hover over these list items, our pointer, I mean our cursor, will look like this. Next, we have to add the effect, the hover effect over these list items. To do this, simply I will copy these words, copy them and paste them here. Type colon hover, border 1 pixel solid white and border radius 10 pixel. So you can see a hover effect on these list items. Next, I will copy this logo class, paste this class here, and before this copy this navbar class and paste here and type letter spacing 2 pixel, text transform uppercase, cursor pointer, and Z index would be 100. So you can see that our logo's design is changed. Next, I will design my this heading. So simply copy this h1 element, paste here, and copy this content class and paste here with a dot. Inside this, I will type text align center, letter spacing 3 pixel, text transform uppercase, color white, margin top to 50 pixel, and font size 5 rem. So you can see the output. Next, I will type here a media query, maximum width 767 pixel. It means that the CSS property that I will write inside this block of code will be implemented on our HTML elements when the user have screen sizes between 0 pixel to 767 pixel. So here I will copy this navbar class, paste here and type here display none. Basically, I will hide the navbar on mobile devices, but our main purpose is to learn how we can use a video as a background. So let me show you on a big screen. So friends, you can see that here we have a website with beautiful video background, and here I have create a navbar. You can see the output. You can use any video and create any color of overlay. Hit the like button if video was helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.